Ladies and gentlemen from the press, good afternoon. We apologize for starting 7 minutes late. Hopefully, our press conference will proceed as scheduled. We welcome you to our press briefing, where the coach being represented by Mr. Lloyd Mdaza. The coach, Mr. Zamba, is there to attend some family issue, so he has seconded Mr. Lloyd Mdaza to represent him. At this moment in time, let me also welcome the ZIFA President, Mr. F. Kamambo, and the Executive Committee member, Mrs. P.H. Kosi. Welcome.
Okay, thank you.
At this moment in time, I'll hand over to Mr. Wellington Pandare to announce the COSAFA and AFCON squads. Over to you, Mr. Pandare.
Thank you. The COSAFA and AFCON 29 provisional squad is as follows. Goalkeepers: George Chigoa, Ed Mosibanda, Elvis Chipesese, Talbot Shumba. Defenders: Dennis Dauda, Lawrence Mtlanga, Jimmy Tsingai, Byron Matsokere, Alec Mundimu, Teenage Hadebe, Divine Lunga, Ronald Kumbidzai, Tendai Darikwa. And the midfielders are as follows: Danny Piri, Marshall Munetsi, Marvelous Nakamba, Uteleze Ngue, Tafadzwa Coutinho, Ovid Karuru, Kama Billiat, Kudakwashe Maachi, Tafadzwa Rusike, Richard Dachiro, Talent Chawapiwa, Leroy Mavunga, Knowledge Msona, Tabani Kamsoko, Rodwatch Nyengetere. And finally, the strikers are Nyasha Mushekwi, Evans Rusike, Walter Msona, Tinotenda Kadewere, Knox Mutizwa, and Admiral Muswe. Those are the 34 players for the AFCON and COSAFA tournament.
Thank you very much, Mr. Pandare. It's now question time. We direct your questions. Either to the assistant coach who is representing Mr. Zamba, Lloyd Mdaza, or the team manager, or the ZIFA president. As per our media procedure, you identify yourself and the media house that you represent. Any questions?
Coach, maybe briefly, if you just share with us what criteria you used to select your team.
Thank you very much. As coaches, obviously would look at the players who are doing well currently and who have been doing business for you of late. And at the same time, you look at the opposition that you play for, it gives you the direction, the kind of material that you would want to use.
Further questions? What did you ask? Further questions? Further questions? Yes, Mr.
My name is Tawanda Tafrenyika from Newsday. I just want to find out when are you expecting to name the final squad for AFCON?
remember, we are going to play in the COSAFA tournament. So we're taking the 34 players to the COSAFA tournament, and 30 of them will be registered for the COSAFA tournament. And then we are going to play 2 games. And then the other 18 players will then go to Nigeria to play against Nigeria on the 8th. Remember, the COSAFA tournament final is on the 8th. I thought maybe you're going to ask that question, that how are you going to juggle the teams around? So we play the first 2 games, right, with all the 30 players there. And then on the 5th, 18 players will leave for Nigeria and play on the 18th. And the other 5 players will then follow to make up the 23 players for the AFCON tournament. And selection will be based on the performance during the COSAFA tournament. And the coaches will then select the final 23 after assessing the players during the COSAFA tournament. I don't know if you answered, Tafi.
Why do we need to check our best players to the tournament? I was asking, why do we need to take our best players to the COSAFA tournament when everybody was going to the Nations Cup in the region, choosing the preparatory tournament for that, for the AFCON showcase? And how do you judge when you're saying that you will select players based on COSAFA when clearly our players will be facing inferior opposition at COSAFA, which is nowhere near what they will face at AFCON? So how do we then use such a tournament where others are putting in riffraff to then judge our players in terms of their selection for AFCON?
Thank you very much, Mr. Sharuko. Probably for a start, when we chose the players that have been named recently, it's an indication that all those 34, they have got the pedigree to do duty for the country. Hence, we from the 34, we have to go with the 23. So it's like a substitution by elimination. We just want to probably then see those whom we feel we might add value or not from those matches. And remember, there will be injuries and so forth per se. If you're playing a tournament, then you have to do it with cover.
And also, Godfather, to us, the COSAFA tournament is more like a training. Those are more like training games for us. So we actually go into camp in Durban, and then those games that we play, the 2 games that we play, will be more like training games, which I think we add value. Remember, every other game that we've played, even at home, we have prepared for the game playing against the so-called inferior teams, because it sort of helps us in a way. But then the big game is coming on the 8th against Nigeria. And I'm sure there's every chance that we might get another game after Nigeria, though it's still being worked out. But at the end of the day, we need those COSAFA games, because even the last time, 2018, when we were preparing for the AFCON qualifiers, it sort of helped us in a big way. We won the COSAFA tournament with the same players that then participated in the AFCON qualifiers. So I think, in as much as most teams are sending their weak teams, it will give us the competitive edge that we think we need.
Yeah, but Chairman, we take into consideration the psychological impact of the probability Zimbabwe not doing very well at the COSAFA tournament. These are all the negativity that will come from if we lose, let's say our main team loses to the West Lesotho team, and then we have 2 weeks in which we'll be firefighting in terms of instead of building the cycle of the players towards the main tournament. Have you taken into consideration all those issues and how they've got an effect in terms of how we will play the Nations Cup?
We saying, Robo, we have 34 players, and from those 34, we have players whom we really know they form the base of the national team. And from those, we're going to have a team building. We're going to mix, as national team players, we don't normally have much time together. Hence, we using this platform of COSAFA to be together so that we gel in terms of knowing each other, and we very much aware of the injuries that can come through. Hence, we saying it's not a matter of us using all the core players. We've got the foundation of the team, which probably is going there to do the training with others. Hence, the others will do shoot, and then we have the Nigeria game coming, and we'll then mix the team.
Also, Godfather, you said we might maybe lose against the weakened Lesotho team.
No, I'm
Yeah.
just giving a probability.
Yes, and I'm saying I'm trying to.
The guys who are here.
Yes, okay. Suppose it's a two-way thing. It's a 50-50 thing, Godfather, where you then win against a Lesotho team, and then you are in comfort zone and think that you have the best team. It's better to lose against Lesotho and then we rectify those shortcomings.
We disagree.
Yes.
Next question.
Hi, hello, I'm Farai Machamiri. Just a quick one, just going through the list, I don't see Bone. Does that mean we've given up on him?
Boni submitted these papers to the Zimbabwean embassy in England about 2-3 weeks ago. Unfortunately, up to now, we haven't received these papers. But you should also take note that after the cabinet pronunciation that for anyone to acquire a Zimbabwean citizenship, one has to be a Zimbabwean by registration. Sorry, one has to be a Zimbabwean by birth. If you are a Zimbabwean by descent, then you don't qualify, which means we're back again to the drawing board, because Makuli Boni is a Zimbabwean by descent, which means we need to engage the highest office. But nevertheless, once we get his papers, we'll then engage those that we're supposed to engage.
Next question.
Afternoon, coach. Looking at the strikers that you've named in your provisional squad, most of them are playing abroad, but they haven't had a great season in the just ended season. Aren't you worried about their form at the moment?
I think if you look at the players that we have, Misheko has been scoring goals. Kadewe has scored recently, and Noxumtizo has been scoring like one in South Africa, and they are part of the Jinx. And we have confidence in these players, and we know them. We know how far they can go. Hence, they are in the mix.
Coach, if you're picking a player like, if you continue to pick a player like Silvester, and the goal return in terms of his Warriors performance, in terms of his club, probably doesn't justify all that buzz that is following him. How would you then convince us that probably he still deserves his place beyond the sentimentality that he's part of the squad? Because, I mean, I'm looking at these statistics even at Supersport United, I'm looking at these statistics of the national team. As far as I can remember, he didn't even score in the qualifier. So, if you're picking him as a striker, is there any justification for that, or probably just because he's part of the band?
No, thanks, Robo. You look at Evans, it's a pity that probably everyone, when we talk of strikers, everyone would want such players to score. But you remember even the last game that we played, Congo at home, we used him as a winger, outside player, and his contribution to us as a technical team, I think it was good. Hence we brought him in. You look at his stature, you look at is in the mix.
This question is directed to the President. Before the 2017 AFCON, we had a lot of challenges, especially with the players in terms of their allowances and their appearances fees for the Gabon AFCON. What measures have you put in place so that we don't have another scenario like that again?
Thank you. Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. I thought we more on the squad, but let me answer that one. We have already started preparing for the contract for all the people that are going to AFCON. Everyone who is going to get into the camp will have his contract done, or will have agreed on the conditions on the contract.
Next question.
In terms of preparation, are you satisfied that the friendly match that we have is the high profile is the Nigeria game? Do you have any other friendly matches that you think the Warriors will play again?
Initially, we wanted them to play two friendlies, one against Nigeria and the other one against Ghana. Unfortunately, Ghana changed some goalposts. They wanted to play us on the 16th of May, of which we were unable to do so. We still have something lined up, but it's in the planning stages. We intend to have a game probably on the 25th. That is, if we happen to agree with the club. After the Nigerian match, I don't think there will be any other friendlies, because we have planned that they fly straight into Egypt and stay there much earlier than expected.
The question? Is the question?
Are there any one or two players right now who are not part of this team, whom you might feel are a little bit unlucky not to have spoken?
Yeah, we have the likes of Abbas Hamid and Terence Tsukamanja who have been doing well, but it's a pity they injured for now, and Abbas is injured, and we have a galaxy of good players in Zimbabwe, and it's very unfortunate that we might not take them on board.
How far do you think realistically we can go at AFCON?
What we can say for now is we have the pedigree as a nation to go far. Probably if I say much now, people might take me for a joke, but playing football, what we can assure you for now is we're going to do better than we did last time that the nation went to AFCON, and it won't be a surprise to us, and it will go all the way.
If you allow me one final question before I
Even 10.
Let's proceed. Sure.
go ahead.
Even 10.
Okay. When I look at the COSAFA Cup, it's not like provided for in the calendar. I'm looking at a player like Mushek. The Chinese League is ongoing right now. Clearly, you will not be released from the COSAFA Cup. How then do you juggle it? I think even the team manager could help me.
Thank you, Godfather. Yes, I agree with you. The Chinese league started recently, and we've made arrangements with Shekwi. He's not coming for the COSAFA tournament. He's flying straight to Nigeria from China.
You could have cleared that earlier.
And that's why there's a flow for asking questions. At least you're more senior. That's why you picked it up.
You can ask another.
Further questions?